I wish you guys there, you know, to wake up in this beautiful scenery, the mountains, the volcano. Can you see that? Can you see that? It makes me cry. It really makes me cry, you know why? I could never see this in my fucking life. This is where all the celebrities living, you know. A nice place, expensive one. You know, if you're rich, you could afford this area. Area with a view. Unbelievable, you know. You could see the mountain, the volcanoes, the water lake, you know. All these nice houses, you know. And these two people here is planning to buy one, so that's why we coming with me. So we're gonna find out if they got enough money to buy it, you know. Otherwise, if they don't have it, you know, just go to sleep. Hi. Today is a big day, you know. We're going to the tallest volcanoes in this country. We're gonna challenge every challengers, just like Pablito Sangalang. That he said he's been there many times, and he's even been inside the volcanoes. But I don't believe it, so I would like to see it now. What do you think? You guys agree with me?
Yep.
All right, let's do it, man. You know, this is just one of those views that you cannot breathe easily. Just thinking about it, you know, how good is it? This is what we call Tagaytay. Tagaytay still belong to Philippines, is it? Yeah. The main province of Talisay. Actually, this is belong also to Tagaytay. Uy. Ano pala ito? This is the place we're gonna catch the ferry to go Mindanao.
Punta. Dapat lang ako kasi
People sign a contract because they're going to the dive. To where are we going?
Taal Volcano.
Taal Volcano. And this woman here, she owned the Taal Volcano. So. Oh, you're right, that man. Right, guide.
Ako yung driver ng boat.
Mga ilang minutong biyahe?
25 minutes po lang tayo.
25 minutes.
Medyo dun po kayo magtatagal pag nandun po ako sa crater sa ibabaw.
After that nearly 45 minutes drive, we're here in Talisay. We're gonna catch a boat going to the volcanoes. The volcano is somewhere in that one of those islands there. Saan ba yung volcano, Iho?
Doon.
Yeah, one of those islands.
Can I be at the front? You want in front? Okay, you sit here. I'll go. Sit here so that you're the one who's taking the, you know. We're moving. I think we're gonna get wet.
Huh?
I think we're gonna get wet.
No, there's no. Look like we're having a shower from the ocean. But this place, that's what I see before. It's enchanted one because no one lives. It's a primitive area that people don't even know where is it. You know, it's only us try to adventure this kind of situation, just like King Kong. Have you watched the movie King Kong? This is what is it. We're going there. We don't know what's gonna happen, and we're gonna find out. We don't even know where this Taal volcano is. You know, because I heard it's somewhere between the rainbows and the ocean. You know, so. Me and my nephew here is trying to find out. Ooh, buko tart. Let's eat it while we're suffering in this weedy weather. The weave. Yeah, we're just arriving in that another island. This is the way to Taal volcano. So I could see horses there. So this is what they're talking about.
Oh, no, ilang buhay nila rito. Utang na, hindi ako nagkaya ng kabayo, malalaglag pa ako dyan eh.
Ha?
Mga pagod na yung kabayo, tingnan mo. Ha? Tayo kalakarin, ano?
Nagdadabog yung mga kabayo.
Puro po sa inyo. Lalagyan niyo mula ka. Hindi ko yung kabayo.
Malalaglag ako sa kabayo.
Tulay. Pababa. Oh, this tulay na tulay. Pero puro ka.
Dandahan lang mga iho. I think we're going that way. It's called Kawayan. Made by Kawayan.
Yellow pala pinalalabas dito.
Mayayaman palang tao dito, pati paglalaba, yellow ang ginagamit. Ano bang sekreto bakit yellow ang ginagamit mo, iha? Ha? Mas maganda ang bula?
Malamig eh. Diba?
Oo. Lang mayroong Starbucks.
Sa tubig. Kapag ganun. Boy.
Lalakarin lang. Hindi talaga nakikita doon sa dagat, ano? Kailangan lakarin.
Nakatago po, nakasekret siya.
Oh, really? Umuusok-usok naman. Pwede tayo magluto doon ng ano, ng itlog o ano. O kung pupunta mo sa lalim.
Ito maganda rito.
Where you been? Saan ka galing?
Sa bundok.
Oh, may ano, kukuha ka ng tubig? How you going, mate? Having a good time? Have a good rest. We are going to the Taal volcano where it's we're gonna find out what it's look like because you could never see it if you are in Tagaytay, you know. There are so many islands that you could see from there. I don't you realize which one of them is the Taal volcano. So this is the right time to go there and just find out. While we walking, you know, there are too many horses here. I don't know why. You could ride a horse going to the volcano, but we didn't do that.
Kaliwa is this is the wrong way.
Left. Don't go left. Go right. Always right.
Okay. So kaya ko sir natin dito, baka dito kayo mapadaan. Bali ibang daan po ito, medyo kaliwa na po, maligaw kayo. So dito po yung daan.
Okay.
Or Mike, here, there's our line. We're going back that way.
Ito sila para tandaan nyo, so pagbalik ninyo, kayo kakaliwali ha. Kanan. So pagdating nyo ng train station, kanan. Well, meron po dito station nito po sir.
Oh, thank you, boss. Thank you very much.
Yeah. Or we found.
Ang mabigat
So we are in the
pag ipababa na tayo, okay lang, no?
250 na lang pababa.
nyo? Ha? Wow! Anong dala nyo? Pagkain? Tubig? Oh, galing mo ah. Galing nitong nasa huli ah. Magaling siya oh. Kakaganyan siya eh. Oh. Talo kayo eh.
Smart kasi ito eh. Smart ka ba? Stan.
Smart.
O ito kunin mo. Yung number.
Bakit?
Kaya pala hindi ko matawagan.
Bakit? Sino?
Eh, smart pala ito. Hindi mo papahalata.
It's really hard. We've been walking for nearly 1 hour. And those two people already called for 2 horses. We tried to be tough when hiring a horse. But now, I don't think so we could handle it. So you could see, we've been in that small community there. Now we are here on the top of this mountain. Why? But that's the way it is, that their business here, you know. They scattered all the shit that you're gonna force to hire a horse. Look at them. Look at this guy, you know, look like shit now. He said he could make it, but it's nearly just 1 hour with travel and he already gave up.
He's already sweating.
But it's good, you know, it's a good exercise.
Waiting for happiness.
Not connected to the mainland.
No.
Unbelievable, you know. It's surrounded with lake water, fresh water, and all this water here is a fishing village, or what is it?
Yeah, it's like fishing. No, it's a fishing village. It's like you know,
See, the help is already here.
Kakayanin kaya siya? Ito, kakayanin.
Bakit? Ilang kabayo ba yan? Nasaan?
One more.
Eh yung ano, yung inutusan namin.
Can I ride that? Have you ride a horse
Baka
before?
mamaya, iba
Yeah.
yung... May packet ba yan? Yung kabayo?
Kasi lang po sir, mahal na mga bilhin doon.
Ha?
Mahal ho.
Mahal bili.